Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make media volume default. Many devices often prioritize ringtone or notification volume, causing media playback to start at an unexpected level. We will explore the settings to ensure your preferred media volume is consistently applied. This guide will help you maintain a comfortable listening experience without constant adjustments. Let's dive into the simple steps to achieve this on your device. First, open your device's main settings application, usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down and tap on the sound and vibration or audio menu. Here, you will find several volume sliders, typically including ringtone, alarm, and media volume. It's important to distinguish between these to ensure you are adjusting the correct setting for your media playback. This is the foundational step for taking control of your audio experience. Once inside the sound settings, locate the slider specifically labeled Media Volume. Drag this slider to your preferred default level, perhaps around 75% for a balanced sound. On most modern devices, this change saves automatically, but some older models might require you to tap a Save button. After setting, play a short video or music clip to verify the new default volume is active and comfortable for you. For more advanced control, some devices offer developer options with additional volume settings, though these are usually hidden. You might also consider third-party applications from your App Store that provide more granular control over volume profiles. Remember to periodically check your volume settings, especially after system updates or installing new audio-related applications. This ensures your media volume remains at your desired default, providing a consistent and enjoyable audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.